Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy Rontrades, and we're back here with another trading video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over my weekly trades for this week. This video will be posted on Thursday because I'm not able to trade Friday just because I've already taken 2 trades. My rules is I only take 2 trades a week, nothing more than that. I don't care if the setup is obvious. I only enter 2 trades a week. So the first trade that I took was on June 21st, 2022, Dow Jones, US30, short. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So right here, guys, basically what I was looking at here at 5:45, we had displacement. As you guys know, I come to my charts at 5:45 every single morning, and I look for a setup, or if I'm basically tape reading, depending on if I'm taking a trade or not. So right here on June 21st, 5:45, we came here to my charts at 5:45. And we had displacement here. Displacement, energetic candle. My narrative was bearish right here. Why was I bearish here? Who do we have in the market? Buyers. Buyers from where? London. So we had literally a bullish London. Like I say in every video, what's the likelihood of price just continuing to rally and let these London buyers profit? It's not happening. What's price gonna do? Price is gonna rebalance itself and then continue to move, knock out the buyers. A lot of London buyers got knocked out here. So if you went long here off the February gap, you got knocked out at break even. I'm pretty sure you was break even as price to make this move here. You probably went break even or even traded your stop loss, so that got hit. That was my narrative. So I came to the charts. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wait for displacement here, and I'm gonna target just probably down here inside of this imbalance here. I actually took profits the moment price came inside of here. In this imbalance here, but just because I am still bullish, but like I say, it's the likelihood of price letting these London buyers stay in and profit. The real move, that's very, very low. So coming to my charts here, we had displacement at 5:45. What is this? After this displacement, what do we have? This right here, this candle here is very, very, very significant. Now let me see, let's do right here. This candle here, what is this candle? A bullish order block. Change the color of this. You guys can't even see it. Okay, visibility, let me change the color. I'm sorry about that, guys. Here, okay, boom. All right, so what do we got here at this candle? We had displacement. This last up close candle now is going to be considered what? A bearish order block. I'm sorry, guys, I put bullish by mistake. So right here is going to be our bearish order block. Why is this a bearish order block though? This is a bearish order block in my narrative, and my guess is because we had displacement. My narrative is bearish. We're going to be looking to target down here to get London buyers out. This last up close counter here, like I say, displacement. We return back to it. I entered the moment price comes to the bottom of this last up close counter here. So I enter here. Stop loss simply holds. SL simply right above it. Nothing too crazy. SL right above here. Price comes above here, then I'm wrong, and I accept that. Where do I target? Right down here. So as soon as price gets inside of this here, it's about like a 1 to 3. Obviously, I'm taking partials as price is running down, paying myself, and I'm just letting the rest of this this move here profit out for a small runner. So right here, guys, like I said, this was a nice trade that I took early in the week, June 21st, 2022. Like I say, displacement, return back inside of the order block here. This is classified as an order block because we had displacement, energetic displacement, not no baby, no baby displacement, not a wick. This is an energetic candle letting us know, hey, we probably about to see a shift in market structure. Price comes back inside of that zone to rebalance itself, fills in the imbalance, comes inside the order block, take an entry, target the imbalance here. Simple. Okay. So let's go ahead and go to my setup that I took today, which I'm very, very proud of, and I'm still actually in this setup here. We got a lot to talk about on this setup. Because I'm proud of myself, but at the same time, I'm kind of mad at myself. Let's go ahead and dive into it. EURUSD here, June 23rd, 2022. I took this entry around, what? I entered right here off this candle, 7 o'clock. This was a 7 o'clock entry. I came to my charts at 5:45. Who do we have in the market? Sellers. Sellers, right? We got sellers in the market. Like I say, what's the likelihood of price letting these sellers profit off another big move down? Very, very low. So when I came to the market, I'm like, hey, yeah, we got sellers in the market from London. We're probably going to rebalance this move here. Well, why should we rebalance this move? It was no setup given here. Off these 3 down close count, it was no setup, no fair value gap, no imbalance fill, no nothing. It just went straight down. That's probably a fake move. So I came into the market with the narrative of, hey, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and try to rebalance this move here and look for some long positions. We're already in a what discount? It's already what the New York Kill Zone 7 o'clock. So I'm like, yeah, this is a high probability setup. Even though this was a high probability setup, like I say, guys, I'm still kind of ticked off at myself about this entry and how I managed it. So like I say, right here, guys, we had on a 5 minute time frame. Let's go to the 5 minute real quick. So right here, when I came to the market, it was 5:45. So right here is where I came to the market off this candle here. Right here. So right here, 5:45, I came to the market. So this move had already happened before I came to the market. So this is not like a cherry pick. This move already happened. So I was like, hey, okay, where can I try to participate at? Where can price come back down to the rebalance itself and stop at? Right here, we had a 5 minute fair value gap, or you can call it a 5 minute imbalance. Why? Why is this an imbalance? In my mind here, what do we have? We had price come up here, energetic candle. Price didn't really fill in this whole candle here. So I'm like, hey, if price does rebalance itself, it probably comes back inside of this right here. What does price do? Price comes back inside of here. I enter here. You guys can see live entry here, and I also took it on my funded accounts. Live entry here. I took an entry right here. Moment price came inside of this imbalance, fair value gap. Yes, price went up for a little bit of pips and dropped back down, and this is what I want to talk about. So right here at this moment, guys, I had to go to work, so I wasn't able to see this. So once I seen this here, I was in my car on the way to work, and I was like, hey, I probably need to go ahead and go break even. The reason I went break even because I don't really like placing trades then leaving the charts. I like to place trades and, you know, actually stare at the charts and see what's going on, just in case I need to get out, just in case I see something I don't like. So right here, I was in the car. Literally, I took this trade. Nice, man, beautiful entry, guys. Like fair value gap entry. Price takes off, comes back to rebalance itself, takes off again. Profits for almost 50 pips. I missed out on this move. I closed out as price ran up here. So I got about what? Let's see. I got about 17 pips off this move here. Like I said, I went and break even the moment price made this energetic push up. Usually I don't do that. Why did I do that this time? Because I was not by my charts. I'm like, hey, let me go ahead and take the risk off this trade so I can have a good day at work and not be, you know, staring at my phone all day. So that's the perks of having a job and trading. Like I say, I'm not making any excuses here. That was all my fault. I should have just literally held my trade setup. And, you know, that just comes with psychology. My psychology was kind of playing with me this morning. Like I say, I'm not perfect, guys. I know we all go through kind of the same thing with psychology. So I literally got out too early. Price made the move. So going into next week, I'm going to be very, very confident in holding my setups. If I do take trades and go to work, I'm going to be very, very confident. I'm going to hold my setups. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Simple. So it's really going to be the end of the video, guys. Like I say, quick summary. US30 displacement, 15-minute order block entry. I did that. On EU here, sorry guys, EU here, June 23rd, 2022. Bullish narrative taking out the London sellers. Price came back down to fill in this imbalance. I entered here. Obviously, I got out here because of emotions and excuses. Price pulls back down, stops me at break even, and makes the run right here. Makes a high today, 50 pips. So yeah, it's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I say, my week is done. That's why I'm posting this video on Thursday, because my trading week is done. I will take read tomorrow, but I will not place any live trades. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. And as always,